is different. Guess who I'm taking? Us!
Together on three. Together on three. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Really hot.
A throw down the left side for Gronkowski. Makes the grab.
Rob Gronkowski is back.
Aaron Rodgers back in the controls for the Green Bay Packers.
Right side, Cobb, 20, 15, 10. Cuts it back to the 5. Touchdown!
In a walking race by the Packers receivers.
Aaron Gooden, really good.
Big time 12. Keep your foot on their neck. Hey, that's a new pressure. Take a look at it. We haven't seen that one.
We'll get settled in on the left side. You'll get settled in on the right side. Keep working.
We got him right where we want him.
Yeah.
He whips a pass, end zone. Circus catch, no. Out of the back of the end zone, incomplete.
That's a catch. You didn't have the ball secured. He had no control. He's got control. Oh, that's incomplete pass.
Oh, yes, it is a touchdown. His rear hit the ground.
He's got a small ass. He's got a narrow ass.
The rebel tailback comes in the end zone.
Yeah!
The grass is this big. I know. Hey, it paid to be small sometimes. That was amazing that you landed in bounds. Hey, butt drag flag, bud.
They're going to throw long, right side. Tyreek Hill over the shoulder, 20, 15, 10, touchdown!
You heard what he just said? You heard what he just said? Like, Corey came over here and said, hey, can you do me a favor? I said, what? He said, can you bring down the time my shoe real quick? I was like, what?
4th and 1. Prescott, quarterback sneak.
Does he have it? What is the call? It's so close I can't call it.
Suspense.
What is the delay for? He's standing right there.
He's taking a card out. He's a piece of paper.
It's that close? Dear Lord. Still first down, Dallas. This is $1 billion industry, and you're coming down to that.
Stay on their ass. Yeah. That's how y'all eat them up, man. Yeah. That's how y'all eat them up. It ain't over. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Run. Run. Run.
Carr gonna run out of there. Gets out to his left. Look at Derek Carr go.
52 seconds left in this ball game.
Fires it on a crossing route. That's Juju Smith-Schuster running up the field. Still on his feet. He's going to the 40. Cuts inside at the 30. Inside the 15 at the 10-yard line.
That's the way to be, baby. That's what a play. What a play. Oh!
Dallas 20, Oakland 17. 39 seconds in the game.
Looks left. Pumps. Gets pressured. Derek gets out to his right. Derek gonna run. He's got the first down. He dives for the pylon. Derek Carr fumbled the ball. The Raiders are gonna lose the game.
Leave it all out there. Dang.
First and goal at the 10. Throws it for the touchdown and touching down. Would you believe that? The Steelers leapfrog back ahead with 28 seconds to go.
He's got to control all the way because it's going to the ground. So if it moves on the ground, it's going to be incomplete.
We got no timeouts. If it's in the field of play, we got to play. You follow me?
After reviewing the play, the receiver in the end zone did not survive the ground. It's an incomplete pass.
This is unbelievable. What's a catch anymore? We don't know.
Roethlisberger takes the snap. He's pressured. He slips the rush. He throws to the left. The pass is caught in the field of play.
It's running. It's in the field of play. Give him a call. Not clock. Not clock. Give him a play. He can't clock it. Give him a play. Give him a play. We're not clocking it.
14 seconds to go. It's third and goal from the 6. He's back. Throws it over the middle.
Intercepted. Oh, my